Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, traders. This is John Howe speaking. Today we're going to have a look at ASX. Basically, it's the ASX Limited on the Australian stock market. Now, I'm pretty sure it's in the top 20 traded stocks. And what we can see right now is the weekly chart. Nice, just the general stuff that I go through. Nice big support line coming up through there. You can see it bounced off here. Got a big support line through here. And just open up the chart a little bit more, and we can see over here, see there's two spots through here. That was resistance, came back up, came down, didn't find support, did it? Actually came down, closed below it, and then kept going down, found support down here, which was a support over here, came back up. When it came back up, where did it find resistance? Over here. Okay, so if you notice this time and time again, traders, you could benefit from this so much. If you just realize how these actually work in the Australian stock market, it works phenomenally well. And if you can use indicators, moving averages, trend lines, and pattern recognition, you can do very well. So let's look over the daily chart. Let's see if we can have a look at, see if there's anything on the daily chart. Now, one thing that you must that you see, and I see all the time, and I see a lot, is you notice this double top through here. Okay, see that double top, and the patterns are so evident. If I just scroll back here, okay, next day. Now, if I open up my chart, remember this is a daily chart. Okay, this is a daily chart here, and we can see that here was the double top, came down, and through here was the neckline. Okay, so the neckline, the market came down. Okay, and if we just get some, let's just get some volume on. Okay, volume wasn't too bad that day. Okay, we can see this huge double top. Now, double tops are such a big reverse pattern, and when you can get them like this, and they start breaking out, my gosh, they start working well. And look at the market come off through there. So that's a pretty big pull. That's a pretty big fall after this big double top. But again, traders, it's evident. The charts are talking to you. Okay, the charts are talking to you, saying, listen, this is what I'm likely to do. The probabilities of me going down right now are huge. If I just squeeze the chart up right now, all you can see right now is just a simple big double top. And you say, okay, this is a big double top through here, and here. Okay, and if we wanted to draw, say, a trend line, we'd probably do a trend line something up through here maybe. Okay, so we can see that sort of trend line now is evident. Support there, and also support there as well. But once we notice the next day, look, the next day broke down, open on it, went back up, came down, closed below it. Okay, closed below it. So I'm not going to give you the exact entries and exact stops and all that sort of stuff you should use while you're trading these patterns, but they're so evident. You've got to learn how to use these patterns. I'm recently putting together a course, or a mini course, on how to understand how to find these patterns, and when you find them, how to profit from them, how to actually put your percentage up where you're now in the percentage. If you trade these double tops every single time they trade along, over the year, you will be up if you use the strategies and the techniques that I'm about to show everyone in the room, or sorry, everyone that watched these videos. So the purpose of these videos is to show you that these patterns, again, pattern recognition is the number one factor in our life. Pattern recognition, that's it, nothing else. Pattern recognition, trend lines. If that's all you figured out, is how to do support and resistance, how to do trend lines, and how to identify patterns, okay, you'll do very well. Look at this. Okay, let me look at this for a while. Okay, what do we have here? What do we have here? Do you think it's a flag? Maybe. Possibly a flag, eh? Now, a flag is this. Look at this. It's possibly a flag, okay? Possibly. I don't know. I would have to do a lot more analysis on it. But we can see that the market has came up, big run up, come back down. Now, if we have a look at this, from say through to here, probably around about there somewhere, from around about there to there, Now it's not really channeling, is it? Not really channeling, and that sort of closed there. Not much volume either, and that sort of bumped out there. Now that's very low volume, and the volume's just starting to pick up there. So that's the sort of flag, and this will be the continuation. Right here would be the day to get in, but I need a lot more volume, more volume than that, and hence you can see it actually went up and hit this resistance again, came down, big down day with big volume, huge down day with big volume. If you wanted to get in there, that is a very, very, very tight trade, meaning that is you've got tight trades and you've got loose trades. Loose trades are basically safe and secure, and now nothing's safe and secure. I shouldn't say that, but it's you're putting yourself in a very safe position. This here is a very tight position where the formation hasn't completed yet, and therefore you don't know what's going to happen. This could easily form a high trough and continue on to the upside, but that is an entry signal for some people in huge volume, and we can actually see that the market did eventually come down. We're talking days and days and days later. Now once again, what happened? Trend line up. It broke this trend line, okay, through here. Now we've got, so you can see it coming through there. Okay, so you can see that sort of, that's all. Let me just delete that now. Now if I just draw a trend line through there and draw it back up through there again, now there's no real channel there, is there? So you probably just want to delete that and leave it alone for a while. But you can see this market fall off. Why did it fall off? Why did it fall down so much? Is it because the housing catastrophe in the US? No. Is it because the mortgage lending in the US and things are going crazy in the US? No. Is it because Australia's rising rates? No. Is it because the US are dropping rates? No. Is it because we look like we're going to a recession in the US? No. That is helping it, but nothing other than reading charts. That is the most important thing you can understand while you're doing this. Please, traders, I beg you, please. Learn how to read these charts and you'll do very, very, very well. Pattern recognition is the number one thing you can think of. Look at this double top. Double top. Double top. Double top. Neckline. It broke the neckline and look at it fall down. Now, that's, I say, oh, that's coincidence. Go over history after history after history. You find these beautiful looking double tops and you find good entry points, and I know exactly where to get in on these, and I know exactly where to put your stop, and I know exactly where to put your profit target. And these are very, very, very high probability trades. Very high probability trades of where this is likely to go. Now, please take care. My name is John Howe. I just want to say another thing too, is that a lot of people have been getting this information for free, and it's fantastic, but I actually did say a couple of videos ago that I'm going to stop doing these videos on YouTube because they're very valuable to me, and this information I'm delivering right now has taken me a lot of time and a lot of effort. So if you really want to get these videos on a daily basis, all you have to do is, I'm not going to take your credit card off you. I don't want to take your money off you at all. Just make sure you go to tradinginvestingforyou.com and register for free. All I want is your name and email. That's it. I'm not asking you for your credit card. I'm not asking you for your home number, your mobile number, your address. I'm not asking for anything. I'm just asking for your details, okay? Your address and your email and your address. Fill that in at my website. Get on my website right now, fill it in, and you'll continue to receive this information. If you don't, I guarantee you I am going to stop doing this. Okay, I'm going to stop doing this on YouTube, and I'm going to start doing it for people that have taken action. I'm building my database massive now, and I don't need to continue building my database. Okay, my database is growing at a rapid rate, and I want you on my database. So make sure you move now and go to tradinginvestingforyou.com. Go there right now and make sure you sign up right now. Remember CSL? Okay, remember CSL trade? This one right here. I actually. My video before this, I asked you if you could actually let me know if you'd get in here, if you wouldn't get in there. I'm going to announce the ideal strategy for this, or ideal entry point for this, very, very shortly. So take care, and I'll see everyone later on. Trade in the stock market is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee your profit from the information provided. The information in these videos is meant for educational purposes only. That being said, I've been trading the market profitably for many, many years. So please, do your own homework and make sure you look after your current financial situation.